Hi everybody. It's Russell Green, Chief Pilot of Extrone Agricultural Services. Recently we were asked to assist in the rehab of some paddocks that have been completely overrun and choked out by some artichoke thistle. Artichoke thistle, for those not familiar, it's a highly invasive weed. It can grow to a large size, often several metres in diameter. This particular paddock also had a lot of large rocks present and really hampered the viability of using a traditional method such as a ground spray rig. What we ended up doing was using a selective herbicide, so this just targets the particular thistle and leaves the other plants present unaffected. We applied it at a water rate of 50 litres per hectare. We used a droplet size of about 350 microns just to get good penetration of the herbicide into the plant. On this particular job, we used our big XAG P100 drone, Bertie. She's highly accurate. Everything's being done off of GPS. It's good down to 2 or 3 centimetres accuracy using VRTK or virtual real-time kinematic. It's a technology that enhances the GPS. The job itself was about 14 hectares or 35 acres. It only took a couple of hours to complete. And it's a good feeling restoring degraded land. Produces a healthier pasture for the farmer and, of course, making the land more productive and, of course, profitable.